back to another KitKatZambooie AJ video, and today I'm going to be redeeming my 3-month Animal Jam membership, so stay tuned. So I just entered the redeeming code, and so here are the gifts. So I think in this package we get first of all the membership, then we get the 10 diamonds and the ferret items. Alright, 6,000 yams. The ferret pouch, so cute. Okay. Ferret news table. And the ferret. And then I think we go right into buying a ferret. Alright. Let me just say, the ferret is almost, in my opinion, one of the most adorable pets in this game. So I'm just going to go with these colors for right now. I actually like that hair. And let's just go with those ears. So I'll just name him Zippy Fly. Alright, so now that I have 10 gems, let's head to the diamond shop, and I think I'm going to get a cheetah. I like the random one, it always seems better. That's cool. Alright, so we now have the cheetah, which is so cool. I love it so much. The actions are so cool. It does remind me of the snow leopard, but it's kind of a more, more slick version, which I like. So this is probably going to take me a little while to decorate, so let me just speed this up. But I might change it. So yep. Oh wait, what are the different patterns of them? I actually like the default pattern on it the most. It's the most coolest. Next, we are going to, well, let's check out what the ferret items look like. It's a cute couch. I'll just put it in the middle of my haunted house right now. I wonder if the ferret actually interacts with the maze table. I'll have to test that out. Let's see. Does he go? Alright, so wait, the lampy lamp. So yeah, I'll just randomly put these items in my den right now, I guess. So I don't really have a special den for it, or a special look, like den look for it. I don't know what to say. Alright, so I think we get to decorate the ferret now. It's chasing a ladybug. So, alright, so let's go to my pets. Pet stop. Oh, great. Zippy fire. Oh, I think the scientist looks the best on him. Like, I've already seen videos about this, and I can just tell the look. Like, it looks so cute on him. Alright, so I'm gonna keep this outfit. And I didn't know that. So actually, if you get the scientist cloak or whatever, or look on the ferret, it has like this, like, I don't know how to say it, like potion thingy, light bulb, and a atom like surrounding it, which is actually really cute. So I don't know what to do now. So I guess this is it. Oh, I wonder, I'm wondering about the, like, enchanted earth, like, those animals, like, if that's gonna be on the, like, the new, like, you know how they give away gift cards? Like, you could buy them at, stores near you, like, Targets and stuff. I wonder if they're gonna put the enchanted earth animals on there. And I like, on the bunnies, like, I already have the spring bunny, like, my computer's actually, like, really fast today, so, like, whenever I click something, it clicks it 2 times, and it's just really annoying. So I'm sorry if it's, like, taking me a long time to click something. But the spring bunny, like, I was hoping you could, like, change the flowers, like, more. I mean, you can by doing the glitch, but I just wish it was more easier to change the flowers to your liking, because there's, like, a blue and yellow, and, you know, not everyone has a blue and yellow outfit to make. But I just happen to have an outfit that goes with the actual, like the colors that, like the original flowers when you buy the bunny, the original flowers that are on them. I actually have an outfit for it, which is actually really convenient. So I'm wondering, like, what new pets they ponder. Like, some really good pet ideas that I think would be really nice if they came to Jamal would be like the gorilla or the flamingo. Let me know what you guys think about the new animal ideas in the comment section below, and have a nice rest of your day. Alright, bye.